Welcome back everyone. So in this lesson, we'll take a look at how to launch Google Notebook LM and what are the features. Okay. So to launch open Google Notebook LM, it is not an application. Okay, it is available in the browser. You can just go to the Google search or any of the browser and type Google Notebook LM and you'll be provided with the result, and you can open this particular link which says www.notebooklm.google. Okay, once you open it, so you'll be shown this particular page. Okay, and to go to the application, just click on try Notebook LM. So new tab will be opened and you'll be provided with this particular interface. So I had created some sample notebooks, so that's why it is getting displayed over here. Okay, so this is the simple interface. Okay, and here these are the public interfaces which are created by users, and these are some of my personal notebooks. Okay, and here it will just show those my notebooks, and if you go to feature notebooks, you can find notebooks around the world. And this is like how we want to see it. So this is the thumbnail view and this is the list view. Okay, this looks better, and you can sort by most recent and title. Okay, and you can create new, and in settings you can see notebook help, send feedback, discord, output language, license, device. So this is basically what mode you can switch to, light mode or normal dark mode. Okay, so this is about the first page what you see. Let me go back here, because this is the view what you are going to see when you first open the Notebook LM. Okay, before going deeper into it, I just want to show you the interface in this particular lesson. In coming session we can go through how to add resources and all those things. Okay, click here, create new notebook, or you can also create from this particular button here. Okay, so it is creating the notebook. So here it will ask you create audio and video overviews from website, YouTube videos. Okay, it will your notes and lot of option it will give. So you can directly search here, or you can upload files. Okay, let me close this. Let me explain you the interface. Okay, so whatever you are going to add, it will sit in the left side of this particular tab. Okay, so if you click on add source, the same pop-up will appear. Okay, also you can directly search here. For example, let me just search for cricket. Okay, I will explain you what is a search strategy, what are the prompts you can use, and how to for what purpose what can be used. Okay, all those I'm going to explain. Okay, so this is the fast search. Okay, it will display some of the result. Okay, you can either import or you can go back and search it again. Okay, I'll just say import just for demo purpose. Okay, so this particular, if you can see in the center, this is the uh, area where whatever information it gets from these particular links, it will get displayed here. Okay, so currently I have set the language to Kannada. Okay, by default it will be English. For some reason I was trying something just to show you that it can be, output can be in the multiple languages. Okay, I will show you how to set back to the English language. Okay, this is about the chat where it will give you, what are the sources. Okay, 5 sources, and it has extracted that information and it has provided here. Okay, and let me show you. here you can change back to English. Okay, so this is your first settings where I change the language back to the English. Okay, I can either delete everything, okay, search it again. So once you search it again, so now since I change the language, so it gives everything in English. Okay, now if I say import, it will import all these in the English language. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, if you can see here, everything came in English. Okay, this I don't know why it is happening like that, but it's okay. Okay, and here you can give custom chats. Okay, we'll come back to this. Here provide custom prompts basically, and you can improvise this particular result. Okay, and the most important is the rightmost pane. Okay, here you can do lot of things, and I'm not going to show anything over here. This is only the overview lesson. Here you can give audio view overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, slide deck, and data table. So these are the different formats where output can be possible. So this is a simple screen where you can get started with the Notebook LM. So in the next session, we will see how to add sources to particular project. Thank you.